Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a symbol of luxury, speed, and cutting-edge technology. Exterior. Despite its mass, the design will have a subtle aerodynamic touch, most likely with clean, flowing lines and few protrusions. The iconic Prancing Horse insignia will be prominently featured on each side. A flexible full LED lighting system may provide maximum visibility and a striking appearance. Large wheels with a sporty, aerodynamic design will complete the outside look. Interior. The driver and co-pilot areas will mimic the cockpit of a private aircraft, complete with massive touchscreens that display vehicle data, 360-degree navigation, and a state-of-the-art communications system. High-speed satellite communications are provided too. Provide seamless internet access and teamwork. Ergonomic seats with premium leather upholstery will ensure comfort during extended talks. An excellent soundproofing system will ensure maximum privacy and concentration during important meetings. In a comfortable lounge with modular sofas covered in exquisite Italian leather or Alcantara, a contemporary entertainment system is fitted. Many private bedrooms have luxurious, simple decor and mattresses that may be adjusted. The kitchen's induction, microwave, and wine refrigerator allow the team to enjoy excellent meals and beverages. Although it is not a race vehicle, the motorhome's engine will be powerful enough to provide efficient and fast transportation between courses. It is likely to have a large-capacity diesel engine with hybrid technology for efficiency and reduced emissions. The adaptive suspension system is a state-of-the-art suspension that adapts to the conditions of the road to give the passengers the most comfort while protecting sensitive electronics inside. An intelligent energy management system optimizes power use from the battery, generator, and solar panels to maximum efficiency. Systems for biometric security. Certain locations may require fingerprints or facial recognition in order to protect private information. Automatically operating motion-activated sliding doors provide seamless, modern access.